Good morning to all. I am Jebamalar, Assistant Professor, Emmanuel Arasa JJ College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about priming and foaming. It is also called as carryover. So in this priming and foaming is the one of the subtopic of boiler trouble or boiler corrosions. So priming and foaming is the production of steams in the boiler due to rapid boiling. Some droplets of water carry along with the steams. In the steams containing droplets of liquid water is called a wet stream. So the priming and foaming is otherwise called as wet streams. In this droplets of liquid water carry with them some dissolved salts like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, like that, and suspended impurities like sand, clays, other finely divided particles are suspended impurities. These are forming in the liquid water. So this phenomenon is also called as carry over. It can be occurs due to priming and foaming. First one is a priming. Priming is otherwise called as wet stream. It is the production of wet streams. So let's see about causes of priming or reasons of priming. First one, high stream velocity. Priming is caused by high stream velocity. Then very high water levels in the boilers. Then sudden boiling of water. Then very poor boiler designs. That means shape of the boilers. These are the causes of priming. Then what are the prevention we use in priming? It can be controlled by the velocity of the streams. And second one, keeping the water level lower. Third one, good boiler designs. Then last one, using treated water. Treated water means deionized water or demineralized water, or ions, cations and anions exchange water. These are called treated water. So we can use this treated water. Next one is a foaming. Foaming is nothing but when the boiling of water to form stable bubbles, continuous bubbles. So it is called foaming. The formation of stable bubbles above the surface of water is called foaming. In these bubbles are carried over by streams leading to excessive priming. So the main reasons to cause a foaming is first one, presence of oils or greases in water containing some oils or greases to form a foaming, and also presence of finely divided particle like a clay, sand. These finely divided particles also forming a foaming. Next one, how to prevent foaming. The formation of foaming is prevented by adding some coagulating agent and anti-foaming agent like sodium aluminate, aluminum hydroxide, then synthetic polyamides. That also we can add this boiler so to prevent the foaming. Next one is a castic embrittlement. Castic embrittlement is nothing but it is a intercrystalline cracking, that is boiler cracking. In boiler material has some cracks, so that is called castic embrittlement. Boiler water usually contains a small portion of sodium carbonate. So in this castic embrittlement can be caused by sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide. It can be causes intercrystalline cracking. In the sodium hydroxide flows into the minute hair cracks and crevices using presence in the boiler's material by capillary actions and dissolves the surrounding areas of ions as sodium ferrite. In this sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide to form a crack in the boilers like hair, very thin minute crack like hair level. So it can be causes brittlement due to the boiler parts like bends, joints, rivets, etc. So, what are the reasons or causes of gastric embrittlement? Is sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide in water. So, we can prevent it by using sodium phosphate as softening agent, and by adding tannin. It can be prevent the cracks of the boilers.